Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Apple Watch Series 9 for gym workouts. Start by opening the workout app and selecting your activity, whether it's strength training, cardio, or a custom workout. You can set goals for calories, time, or distance, ensuring your watch accurately monitors your progress. This initial setup is crucial for capturing all your valuable fitness data, helping you stay motivated and informed about your efforts. Your Apple Watch Series 9 is a powerful health companion. During your workout, it continuously monitors vital metrics like your heart rate, displaying it in real time. This allows you to stay within your target heart rate zones for maximum effectiveness. It also precisely tracks calories burned, giving you a clear picture of your energy output. Plus, you can take on-demand blood oxygen readings, offering an additional layer of insight into your body's performance. Beyond basic tracking, your Apple Watch offers advanced features to elevate your gym experience. You can create custom workout programs, allowing you to tailor your routines precisely. For compatible equipment, GymKit seamlessly syncs your watch with treadmills, ellipticals, and more, providing highly accurate data. Don't forget to explore the vast array of third-party fitness apps available, which can further enhance your tracking and provide specialized workout guidance. After your workout, it's time to review your progress. Your Apple Watch provides a comprehensive summary detailing your heart rate, calories, and workout duration. Analyze these insights to understand your performance and recovery. Remember to clean your watch regularly, especially after intense sessions, to maintain its functionality and hygiene. These post-workout analyses are key to optimizing your future training and achieving your fitness goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.